Hi, hello, welcome to my channel.
So I'll be showing you how I make my own good curry. I like to call it the Nigerian version of good curry. So first of all, you need to clean your meat properly. This has already been cleaned, and then you put it in a bowl. You add your herbs, your seasoning, your spring onion, your black pepper, salt. I'll drop the ingredient list in the description box, and then you ensure that all the spices are well incorporated. Ensure that it's properly mixed. You cover with a cling film, and then you refrigerate for like an hour or two before you cook. The reason you refrigerate is so that the spices and seasoning can be well absorbed by the goat meat. It's to ensure that your goat meat is flavorful and tasty after being cooked. So you're allowed to cook until tender, and then you put the oil in the pot or a pan, and you add in your goat meat. Ensure that it is slightly brown. You don't want it too fried. You're not going to fry it so much. It's just to brown it a little. So that's why the oil has to be little. You don't need too much oil for this because you aren't frying the meat. You just need to brown them a bit before you continue the cooking process. So you could take them out, but I usually prefer to leave mine in the pot and add in the goat meat stock. This ensures that the meat cooks very well, like it's really tender. Then you add in your curry and your onion. If you love veggies, you could add that, but that will be towards the end of the cooking so that the veggies do not get overcooked. So ensure you mix thoroughly and allow to simmer. Add in your ginger garlic paste. You're allowed to cook for a bit, and then you add in the potatoes. The potatoes help to thicken the curry a bit. And then I love to add habanero into mine because I love it spicy. The Nigerian palate likes spicy food. You can add in your bell peppers and spring onions once your potatoes are tender and the goat meat is properly cooked, like really tender that it melts in your mouth. You can add in bell peppers also if you like bell peppers. I love to do that in mine. I usually love my curry served with rice. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Don't forget to like and click the subscribe button. Thank you.